So I don't get to come along on this one?
Next one, I promise.
What the hey, Rick?
Well, I made it out for a ride. There's snow in the mountains, and yesterday we had like 3 inches of snow on the ground, but it warmed up. Linda and I actually got out for a ride for lunch a couple of days ago, but then it snowed after that. Typical Montana stuff. I'm out today testing some cameras. I got 3 cameras going right now. I got this one on my helmet. I was running this camera back here, but I need to change the way it's sitting. Then I was running a 360 cam over here, but it makes me nervous because the camera can slide down on its own like this and hit the ground. There's nothing that locks it up in there. So I'm going to change that right now and put it upright so I don't have to worry about it. Ooh, I see it did nick it a little bit when I turned. Luckily I had this protective case on it, but it did nick the camera just a little bit. Live and learn. I had these protective lenses on there. That should have helped. I think it'll be all right. That one won't drive me crazy anymore. So I was right. It was hanging too low. Oh well. So the plan anyway is to ride down through what we call the canyon here. And maybe get something to eat along the way. I'm kind of starving. And just enjoy the day. Oh, today is Saturday. The day before Easter Sunday, the day that Christ rose. And we're going to celebrate that with family tomorrow. But today, I'm free, so I'm going to get back on the road. Well, okay. Chocolate milk and a couple of deep fried somethings in there. I don't know what they are, but I'm going to find out. Just a little stop here in Cascade at a place called Tom's Market. Well, it used to be called Tom's Market. Don't know if it still is or not, but it's always been a pleasant stop. I don't know what it is, but I like it. I'm going to head down the highway a ways again. The ride's been nice. It if I'm sitting still, I'm too hot. I like my leathers. You can see though, wear my safety vest, trying to make sure that other traffic sees me. Even then, you got to be super careful. Too many idiots out there, but I try my best to be seen all the time and to stay away from people and to stay out of their blind spots. Got to concentrate on that too. Luckily here in Montana, at least on the highway, traffic tends to be pretty light. Well, this beautiful place is a fishing access along the Missouri River called Puit Creek. And I think you can camp here, but I could be mistaken. Most of the fishing accesses these days are day use only, but I'm not sure about this one. But it's awful pretty down here. I don't want to disturb anybody. But, yeah, it is a nice place. There's a large boat ramp here. Boy, it just doesn't get much more beautiful than this, you know? And the Missouri River starts as a trickle coming out of the rocks down in southwest Montana. Goes all the way to St. Louis and joins the Mississippi, heading for the Gulf of Mexico. I'll make that the Gulf of America. I'm just too used to saying it the old way, but look at this place. Well, the last few miles got kind of chilly because the temperature dropped as soon as I hit this canyon. So I don't know what I'm going to do from here. I don't know if I'm going to go any further or not. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I left home this morning, got everything ready, had my microphones all ready to go, extra batteries for my cameras, all set to go. Mounted the cameras on the bike, mounted the camera on my helmet, and hopped on the bike and took off and left all the batteries and microphones at home. So the only batteries I have are the ones that are in the camera. I'm filming this on my phone. At least I can plug the phone back in and charge it up. Oh yeah, you can still camp here. I know that we had camped here before. Well, I do love this bike. Last year, I almost bought a newer Harley and sold this one. I almost bought a newer Road King. I was looking at street glides and road glides, and I was going to buy a newer Road King with more horsepower. And you know what? This is a 2003. It's just totally stock. I love the sound of the exhaust on this bike. And the newer M8s just don't quite sound like this unless you stick a cam in them. But man, I love this bike. So you know what? I just decided just to keep this one. There's no reason for me to sell it. It does everything I want it to do. Linda loves it. Can't keep her off of it unless the girls come and pick her up and take her shopping like they did today. But yeah, this is a nice bike. I'm just going to hold on to it. 2003 Road King Classic. Windshield's kind of scratched up on it, so when I get home today, I'm going to order a new windshield. Well, I've decided to continue on down the road to a place called Wolf Creek. I'll take the frontage road all the way down, and if the camera's batteries hold up, you'll get to see a little bit of what that looks like. Well, I made it down to beautiful little Wolf Creek. It's down in the canyon along the Missouri River here. There's a little store here. I'm going to stop and get something to drink. Been having a nice ride. Well, the twisties are fun, but so is 80 miles an hour down the highway. I still got a little ways to go home. It's just been a fun ride. Well, from here heading back, it's all freeway. But I hope you guys enjoyed this ride as much as I did, or at least enjoyed watching it. It was a little chilly, but it was good to get out and just see the beauty of Montana and to feel the motorcycle again and start getting used to it again, reminding myself how to ride it after going through a long winter But hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please, you know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you around.